Hello. In this video, you will learn what types of file and presentation formats you can upload and demonstrate. Go to the File section, click the Upload button, and then choose the items you want to upload from your device. File sizes and formats available for demonstration in the conference. Video, WMV, MP4, webm, mpeg, mkv, m4v, flv, mov, AVI, 3GPP. Maximum 500 megabytes. Audio, MP3, WAV, AAC, AIF, FLAC, M4A. Maximum 50 megabytes. Presentations, PPT, pptx, pptm, ppsx, pps, ODP. Maximum 50 megabytes. Tables, XLS, xlsx, ODS, CSV. 50 megabytes maximum. Documents, doc, docx, docx, text, RTF, PDF. Maximum 100 megabytes. Images, PNG, JPEG, except TIFF, ICO, RAW, EPS and similar. Maximum 20 megabytes. There is also an option to download any other file formats up to 400 megabytes, which cannot be demonstrated, but you can give them access to download other participants. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and follow us on social media to see more updates.